How to install Spotify on LG Smart TV. To install Spotify on a LG Smart TV, you can follow these steps. Here I'm just gonna open my web browser and then type in how to install Spotify on LG TV. On the result page, you will see this AI overview. You can even pause the video and read these steps. But firstly, you will need to ensure that your LG TV is connected to the internet. After that, go to the home page by pressing the home button on your remote. Then navigate to the LG Content Store or App Store on the menu. Use the search bar to type in Spotify. Then select the Spotify app from the results. Once you see the Spotify app, then you should see the install option. Select the install button and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, select launch app or open Spotify from your app list. Now use your Spotify credential to log in. Alternatively, you can even link accounts by following the instructions on the TV screen. And now you are ready to stream music on your LG Smart TV. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.